Good morning, I hope you're doing well. You might even be watching this in the evening. If so, I still hope you're doing well. Welcome to these few moments where we just grab a couple of minutes to talk about something that's really helpful. Today I want to talk about automatic ISO. If you're taking surf photography or perhaps wildlife photography, where the subject that you're taking is moving a lot, and as it moves from light to dark and dark to light, that's when you need to use automatic ISO. Basically, you can have your aperture and shutting set to whatever you like. So you can have high speed shutter settings and low aperture. So you're like, oh, it really focuses in on what the main thing is, but it captures it in movement. But I can't move them around every time the light changes. You move your camera to automatic ISO. A friend of mine the other day asked me to help them with their camera, and I was trying to help them kind of get a gist of it. And their Nikon, which was quite old, didn't have the ability to go into auto ISO. However, most of the modern Nikons do, and this is how you do it, because it just frustrated me for so long that I couldn't do it. But it's quite simple. You hold down the ISO button, which on my camera is just here. On yours, it may be around here. You hold it down, and then you use the front wheel. So the back wheel controls what your ISO is. The front wheel goes into auto and out of auto, and it won't save your life. It'll save you some great pictures. So try it. Fiddle around with your camera. Go get your camera now. If you've got a Canon or a Sony or a Fuji, I have no idea how to do that. In fact, Canon's pretty simple. You just go to your ISO settings and you can zoom along till it hits auto. The others, I don't know, but it's important to learn how to do it, because there will be moments when you're like, oh, automatic ISO. It would be perfect for this situation. So do some learning today. Enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.